I'm standing in front of this villa. We've just finished the renovation and modernization, and I'm on the golden mile of Marbella. And as you can see, I'm right next to the beach. You can hear the sea really close. So it's an absolutely privileged and fabulous location. Now, our clients, an Irish family, have owned this property for about a generation, and the time came for a modernization. So we've got new floors, doors, windows, heating, cooling system, plumbing, electrics. We've even changed the internal layout, so a complete renovation. And here's the thing, have we just renovated the property, or have we indeed renovated our client's lifestyle? Because that's what it's all about. It's about creating a vehicle, a platform, if you like, where you can make the most of the fabulous weather that we have in southern Spain, live your best life with your family and your friends. We do the heavy lifting, so we handle all the bureaucracy, supervise the works, support you in choosing what it is that you need to be done. We've done a tremendous amount here on quite a strictly controlled budget. I'll show you around the property. Now, handover day is tomorrow. You're going to see people cleaning. Effectively, we're cleaning it before handing it over. There's no furniture in the property, so you're going to see the property, if you like, without any clothes or makeup. The interior designer's coming tomorrow as well, so she will advise our clients on how to finish it off and make it look absolutely fabulous. Let me show you around the property. This is the new living room and dining room. And we've got new windows there, so this space now opens up completely to the terrace. And there's a new kitchen here, which I'll show you, and the kitchen was previously located in what has now become a bedroom. So this area used to be the dining area, and there was a platform here, a step up to a dining area, and we've now converted this into a new kitchen, which you can see here, overlooking the sea to a picture window. The windows are new, and you can now open up these French windows and sit out and eat out on the terrace to make the most of this completely privileged location. There's a small garden here. And just to show you how great the location is, I'll just pan around. You can walk straight out onto the beach and you can hear the waves. So this is the front door, and to the left of the front door is where the kitchen used to be. And this has now been converted into another bedroom, ensuite. As I said, all the windows are new too. And here we have a new bathroom, shower room, quite compact. On the other side of the house, we've got two ensuite bathrooms. In the bedroom, and this is the bedroom on the other side, which actually faces the beach. So you can see here, you can step out from the bedroom onto the terrace, and you can see there the sea very close. And I'll just show you the bathroom. It's all completely new. All these finishes were carefully chosen by our clients, of course with our support, making sure that everything looks great, and also
stays within the budget.